Welcome to our guide on crafting the perfect CV. We'll explore essential tips for including personal details, ensuring your application stands out and makes a positive first impression in today's competitive job market. A complete CV is crucial for job applications. Missing details like an incorrect phone number or email can cost you opportunities. Personal details are key to creating a strong first impression and should be included thoughtfully. When adding personal details, always include your full legal name, matching it with your LinkedIn profile and other documents. Consistency helps prevent confusion and reinforces a professional image to potential employers. Contact information is vital. Use a professional email address and double-check for accuracy. Even a small mistake can prevent hiring managers from reaching you, potentially costing you the job opportunity. Include your location on your CV, as some systems filter applications based on it. Listing just the city and country is usually sufficient, and it helps in aligning with job requirements. Optional details like a LinkedIn profile URL or online portfolio can enhance your CV. They provide employers with easy access to your professional network and showcase your skills, especially in creative or technical fields. Mentioning nationality or driving license can be beneficial if relevant to the job. For roles requiring specific authorizations or driving skills, these details can give you an edge over other candidates. Avoid oversharing personal information like marital status or religion unless directly relevant. Consistent formatting and up-to-date details are crucial for maintaining a professional appearance on your CV. Proper formatting of personal details is essential. Place them at the top of your CV, use clear language, and maintain consistency with the rest of your document for a polished look. Key takeaways include ensuring personal details are relevant and professionally presented. Avoid unnecessary information, keep contact details accurate, and use clear language for a strong CV. Explore our extensive library of CV examples to tailor your application for specific jobs. Use our CV builder and cover letter templates to create professional documents that align with your career goals. Thank you for joining us in this CV crafting journey. With these tips, you're well equipped to create a standout CV. Best of luck in your job search, and may you land your dream role soon.